Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices. Update iOS and open Waze so maps and data load. Plug into the vehicle or pair wirelessly. Wireless needs Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Once connected, go to iPhone settings General Carplay and allow Waze in the list so it appears on your dash. This step ensures Carplay can access Waze permissions and your route history and speeds up map rendering when you begin navigation. Open Waze on the Carplay display and tap Search to type or use Siri to speak your destination. Voice entry is faster and safer. Once you pick a destination, review suggested routes and tap the preferred one. Use route options to avoid tolls or highways. Make sure voice guidance volume and map orientation, north up versus heading up, match your driving style. Once done, confirm climb or traffic alerts are enabled so Waze proactively reroutes around incidents. Drive while following lane guidance and spoken prompts shown on CarPlay. Glance only when safe. If you need to change course, ask Siri or tap the CarPlay screen to set stops or edit the route without fumbling your phone. If Waze stops responding, first replug the USB or toggle wireless connection, then quit and reopen Waze on your iPhone and restart CarPlay if necessary. This sequence fixes most issues because it resets permissions, network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.